Absolutely. It's being taught in schools as curriculum.
So, like you said, AI is going to be so much more deeply integrated into the future, and you were a software developer yourself, right? So now, do you think that's going to be so integrated that software developers need to learn about AI when to type in the
Absolutely. It's being taught in schools as curriculum.
But I feel like you can still make a career without it as well, right? I mean,
Okay, that's what you're asking.
yeah.
Whether
So, yeah. So I just to put on that, it's definitely necessary. But I still think you can be an engineer who have never got into the ML pipelines and stuff. You can still work on apps, build websites. Obviously, you need to know about data, but data is one layer of the whole architecture. There is so much of the different layers when it comes to the app. So it's good to know about it and be very interested.
need not be an
Not-
expert.
yeah, just one.
Yeah.
So, because when Poornima says it's an AI first,
It's the vision of the how the world is going to be.
It's not even a vision, it's the way it's changed.
even if the product is AI first, the person who codes the product having an understanding of what that AI first delivers will enable them to build that product in that way, right? So would it?
Yeah, you would need to be cognitive about it.
Okay.
You need not be like an expert in that field. See, it's like a correlation I would draw to what database was in our times, right? So you are a developer, you don't have to be a database administrator, but you should know how to use it.
Got it.
If you don't know it, it's going to be troublesome, right? So that's the way it's going to be. Someone has built a model, you should know how to use it.